Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna from Needles and Yarn. What we're going to do today, I'm really excited about what I have today. I have a tool called the Wool Jeanie. I got it yesterday and I'm already in love with it. What this does, it is a tool that you'll put your yarn on the spindle, and as you're crocheting and knitting, it feeds you the yarn. It keeps you from having to stop what you're doing, which is crocheting or knitting, and pulling yarn. I really was getting fed up with that. I've been crocheting a very long time, and just having this tool has eliminated some manual work, which is stopping, crocheting, and pulling your yarn to get more yarn. This has taken that work out of that. So what this is, it came, I think I ordered it on a Wednesday, last Wednesday or last Thursday, and it came in the U.S. mail yesterday. So it was extremely fast in receiving it. And I'm going to put the link of where I purchased mine from in the description box. I looked at Amazon, and Amazon's prices was a little bit too high. This Jeanie, the Wool Jeanie, cost me $25, and then shipping and handling was $7, so it was like $32 and some change. Not bad at all, okay? And it was like I think maybe like 6 or 7 parts or pieces that you had to put together. Very easy to assemble. Very easy to assemble. The directions came, this little booklet here, and the directions simple. Very simple, easy, and quick to assemble. And it can hold a ball of yarn weighing 200 grams. So what we're going to do is demonstrate today 2 different sizes of yarn skeins, and see how it works. Now what the key is that in this piece here, there's a piece of there is a magnet, and what you do, as soon as you put it here, it attaches it to the top of this, okay, which is really neat. Ooh, that magnet is strong. Okay, so we have a small skein of yarn, and I'm going to crochet, and it's going to feed me the yarn at the speed that I crochet. Oops, come on. I think this is great. I really could see myself and will be using this all of the time. And no more stopping what you're doing and pulling yarn. So you see how it is feeding me the yarn as I'm kneading the yarn. It's not pulling any more extra yarn. It is giving me the yarn that I need at the pace that I need it. This is a tool that you can break down because it was easy to assemble. You can break it down and travel with it, which is really cool. So you get the idea of how this is working. Okay, so we're going to undo it here. Take this off, and we're going to try another skein of yarn. Okay, let's see here. This yarn I have been using. Now one thing when I tried this, you have to make sure that the top is clear. It cannot be so cluttered at the top because it prohibits it from feeding you yarn easily. Oops, I'm double crocheting, not treble. See how that's just feeding me the yarn as I need it? It's not pulling off any extra. It's just as I need it. This is so neat. Okay, so you see how that works? This is a tool that you really need to invest in if you have not already purchased one. I can't say enough about it. And like I said, that it would be great to travel with. Matter of fact, you just break it down. I can break it down real quickly. I think I can. Well, I think I can have it on there too snug. Or if you can just do it like that. And this piece comes off too. And then you have this plate. So you can just pack it up and you're good to go. So I hope that this was beneficial to you. And like I said, I will put a link below in the description box of where I purchased it at. And hopefully, you know, if you find it beneficial or you think this is something that you can use, feel free to use the link below. Hopefully you'll put something in the comment section that you have either have used one of these or you have one and you're using your Wool Jeanie, or if you're thinking about purchasing it. But I can't say enough about it. I'm enjoying it, and I'm not going to keep you any longer, but thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.